All right, good morning, everyone. Hello and welcome to the Astronomy and Space Exploration Society's 17th Annual Symposium, Mysteries of the Universe. My name is Julie Midroni. I'm the president of ASX, and I'm going to be hosting this event. We're really glad that you're able to virtually join us, and we're looking forward to 3 days of talks, panels, and workshops. Before we begin, I'd like to give a quick shout out to two of our sponsors, TD Insurance and MBNA. TD Insurance is the leading direct response insurance group in Canada, offering quality insurance products for over 65 years. The TD Insurance Milok Monex program is dedicated to helping U of T alumni get access to preferred rates on home, condo, renters, and car insurance coverage, open to U of T alumni, students, faculty, and staff. Furthermore, each time you make an eligible purchase with a University of Toronto MBNA Rewards credit card, MBNA contributes a portion of funds to U of T to support alumni and student initiatives. You will also receive reward points you can redeem for travel, gift cards, cashback, and more. Open to U of T alumni, faculty, and staff. If you're curious about all of our sponsors, you could find a full list of them on the symposium website, asxsociety.com. Okay, so to quickly run through the event schedule, today we have 2 talks lined up, dark matter theories at 11 a.m. and then Hubble tension and dark energy at 2 p.m. All events are going to use the same Zoom link, so you can just hang out here if you want. You can hop back on, hop back off. There's no password or waiting room, so that's fine. Tomorrow we start a bit later because it's no longer a holiday in Toronto. So at 6 p.m. we have a Q&A style panel where you can ask 3 experts any and all of your burning questions that you have about dark matter. And then at 7 p.m. we swap over to black holes, beginning with our first black hole lecture. On Wednesday, our last day, we have a 6 p.m. black hole lecture followed by a short break. After that, we have an astrophotography workshop where you'll learn to take awesome pictures of the night sky using your own smartphone. And then after that, the event will end with closing remarks and the raffle. Speaking of the raffle, ticket sales will be closing at 12 a.m. today, so make sure that you bought tickets if you want to win some cool prizes. Regarding other logistics, like I said, the Zoom links it's just one Zoom link for the entire event, and it's also going to remain open during and between talks. So if you have any extra questions for speakers, or if you want to hang out and talk to some other attendees, there's a bit of extra time to do that. I know that we're all virtual, so we're missing the more mingling aspect of this event that usually is there. So that's just an opportunity for you to talk to speakers and other people if you would like. We're also using a special version of Zoom called Zoom Webinar. If you have any questions for the speakers, please try not to use the chat. Instead, there should be a Q&A function in the bottom right. Rather than the chat, that's a lot easier for the speakers to use. It'll be a lot easier for them to manage and moderate your questions. Okay, so that's it from us. Feel free to check us out on social media or email us to sign up for our monthly newsletter. If you have any logistic questions or concerns, feel free to ask them now or anytime in the next 15 minutes or so. Otherwise, our first event starts at 11 a.m. So feel free to grab some coffee, hang out, eat breakfast, do whatever you